Another day, another way. What's up, guys? Ron here, aka Ronovich. And for today's vlog, man, yeah, much better. Alright, for today's vlog, I'll be installing some engine mount into the Acura R6. Just to nice up the bay a little. But we have big bad ultra installing now. So I have to get some company. So there they are. Just the 3 mounts. So don't expect anything else. This is the transmission mount, the rear mount, engine mount, and the hydraulic engine mount. For today's vlog, I'm just going to be installing these 2 mounts, engine, transmission. Though I'm not going to be doing this today. I'm not going to be installing this one today, but in another video. Just want to make this video as short as possible. Now I'm removing the bracket that's held on by 2 nuts and a bolt, size 17. You have to use a deep drive socket for this when you're removing the OEM bracket. Now I'm removing the engine mount that now is held on by 3 14 bolts. No special socket required for this. Now I'm going to install the engine mount, and always remember to jack up the engine or block up the engine to prevent any stress on the rest of the mounts, or to prevent the engine from falling down. So now I'm just finishing up and installing the engine mount. I have to do this voiceover because the part of the video where I explain and show you guys which bolt to undo, that video got corrupted. So I have to do this voiceover. So that's one install now. We'll go over onto the other side. So I'm going to do this side now. Guys, what's up? Ron again. Day 2 from an installation that was supposed to take a couple hours. You can imagine that? But reason for that still is because my phone battery died. So remember, I told her that I was going to change in the valve cover yesterday. Well, hopefully we get it done today. Plan to change it to this one. I already did the engine mount and the transmission mount over there. So just the valve cover right now. To remove this, the valve cover, I'm going to undo this 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you remove the covers, the cover that is covering the coil pack, you're going to have one right here and 4 more that's holding down the coil packs. So when you remove those now, you can take the valve cover off. So because look, sun almost gone down. So don't want to repeat the same mistake like yesterday where it get dark. So we could just start right away. Alright, when you install a new gasket with a valve cover, you just put silicone on these areas where the metal join. Right there, right there, and when you come over to the other side, right there, and right that one down there. Just right at those 4 spots you apply silicone, and then you can install the valve cover. But guess what now? You know me, I look through and look how I discover. Bam! Engine bay I got nice. So I'm just going to use these instead of the stock ones that I got in the kit. That's it for the valve cover installation. Now everything is complete. The engine mount, the valve cover, plus the dressing kit. That's a plus. And the transmission mount. Yes, look at the engine look. And just in time to, you know, just in time for bed. Yeah, so yeah, engine bay coming on quite nice. Just some little touch up and thing.